Hi everybody. So today is a little bit of a different setup. I am testing out this ring light. So I made a little makeshift table here. So today we are going to be unboxing the Cultivate What Matters. I love you too.
I love you so much.
She's gonna mess this up. It's okay though. But anyway, today we are going to be unboxing the Cultivate What Matters 6-month PowerSheets. This is one of those instances that Cindy made me do it. I saw these on Cindy Gunter-Baldo's channel, and I was like, I really want to try that out. So here we are. Anyway, let's get to the unboxing. So as you can see, the box says, "Oh, happy day." And then whenever you open it, it says up here at the top, you know all those things you've always wanted to do, you should go do them. And then inside, and then it says, you have everything you need, let's do this. So they were actually sold out of the year-long PowerSheets, so I just went ahead and got the 6-month. So it comes here with this cute little card. The best things in life are cultivated little by little. And then there is a little thing on the back that this is Laura Casey. She's the one that makes these PowerSheets. So there is that. Now let's see what this is all about. I have watched several videos on these PowerSheets and was very intrigued. So I thought that I would give them a try because I am going to be transitioning into being a stay-at-home mom for a little while. So, ooh, that's nice. I like this. So this is the 2019 PowerSheets. This is the 6-month version. I like the neutral color palette. I know that the year ones, they have like different colors, but I really like the neutral. Cool white plastic coil here, and it is foiled. And this cover feels like, it says that it is a coffee-proof cardstock, so yes, indeed. Like, if you spill something on this, you should be able to wipe it away. So let's see what's inside. Nothing there. Another one of those cute little, quote postcards. If you wanted to send this to someone, you could. And then my word of the year with hashtag PowerSheets on the bottom in gold foil. 2019, let's do this. Okay, so here we are to the beginning of the PowerSheets. So the front page says, let's do this, hashtag PowerSheets. And then you've got your introductions here. So what do you want to cultivate? So the PowerSheets have 3 sections. The PowerSheet prep. The first 34 pages help you uncover your unique goals and what matters to you. The second is the intentional action plans. So she'll walk you step by step through creating a simple action plan for each of your goals with SMART starting steps. And then the 3 is the monthly tending pages. After uncovering your goals and action plans, it's time to live them out in your everyday. And then there's a little thing there. And then there are 5 easy steps to get you started on your PowerSheets. So this is, I guess, kind of like inspiration on what to do. What if today is the day that changes everything? So this is your name and the day that you start. It's time to flourish. Mark what matters. So there's some stickers here, very brightly colored. And I believe there's 2, just 1 sheet. So here are the 2019 ideas. So this is pretty much like a brain dump, and then there's some examples here. So you can do like really artsy stuff, you can doodle, you can just write some ideas down, whatever you want to do really. And then here is the part, so here's a little motivation quote to help you get started. And this is the beginning part where you get to know
Mommy,
you.
I got half
Yes. and you can kind of map out what it is. If you're not entirely sure what all goals you want to accomplish, this can help you map it out. So there's a getting to know me, break your identity box, who I really am, cultivated life evaluation, so you can evaluate how you feel about your life right now, and they're also color coded. So going back to that sticker sheet, there's different little flags that you can do, and they're all colored kind of in the same color palette that this is. Letting go. Which 3 areas of your life do you most want to cultivate? Looking forward. Another quote. Meeting your fears. Good things, challenges, lessons you've learned. What's unresolved. People you're grateful for. Comparison is the thief of everything. Very true. What you're saying no to, what you're saying yes to. Another gold foiled little quote. Things that fires you up. Big picture. Another quote. What has been holding you back the most? And then here is where you choose your word, and you can also write it down on here. Just, I guess, to have that you can put anywhere for motivation. So, cultivate what matters. What matters most to me is here. Your purposeful year. It's okay to grow slow. And then here, I think, is where you start getting into working your power sheets. So all of this is your prep. Here is where you actually start working them. So you've got everything down that you were wanting to accomplish. You've really dug deep, and you know exactly what you want to do. So now you work for it. Look for threads, themes that keep popping up as you write. Those are threads. Things that you can't stop thinking about. It tells you to flip back through and look for common threads. Then you name those threads and you turn those into goal ideas. And then here you start simplifying. Here. For everything there is a season. And then here are the action plan worksheet tips. So help you get started. Goal 1, goal 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Goodness gracious, gives you a lot. Okay, so you've got room for 10 goals that you want to work on. Yearly overview. And then I guess, okay, so here is where you start to get into the monthlies. So you start with letting things go, preparing, make what matters happen this month. So this is probably just like a brain dump. And then your attending list. And these are actually perforated sheets. Then you've got a month in review. And then you start over again for those 6 months. And then after the tending list, month in review, then you can celebrate. So this is kind of where you go back and you look at the last 6 months and see how you've made progress. And it says progress, not perfection, which I think is a really good thing. And then that is the end of the 6-month power sheets. And then back here you've got another one of those coffee proof, like, I don't know what that is. But anyway, and then you've got a gold foiled quote on the back. So I'm really excited to be using this because I've got a couple of things that I really want to do. A lot of things that I want to work on around the house. I am seriously wanting to get my child potty trained. You have any tips? Throw me some, please. Your girl needs some help. But that is just a couple of the things, and I really kind of want to figure out what I want to do once I'm not working anymore. You know, something for a career path. I kind of want to figure out what my career path is, because I knew that I didn't want to do journalism, working in newspapers. I definitely don't want to do that anymore. I'm kind of done with working for the media, and I kind of want to work for myself. So I'm at that point in my life where I'm not really sure where I want to go, and it's kind of exciting. It's a little scary, but it's very exciting because it just feels like an open door. Don't mind my child, she's like right here. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you think about the lighting too. I'm going to try and figure out like a more permanent location to film, if I can even get this video up, which I'm hoping. So yeah. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you here. And I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, everybody.